WhatsApp link on Instagram. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva here with another video, and in this updated video I'll show you step by step how to add your WhatsApp link to Instagram. Like this type of content? We have more related videos. Subscribe and leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. So let's get started. This here is my name, Ramon from Paiva Info. You're very welcome to join us here. I always share tips to help you out. Once you're on your Instagram screen, if you're not there already, tap your profile pic at the bottom to access your profile. Then you'll click on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, scroll down until you find the Links option. Click on Links. There's already one link. Now I'll click again to add another external link. In the first option, here's the tip. You'll enter the address of the official link shortener. For WhatsApp, enter http:// followed by way, WhatsApp's official shortener. Add a slash, then your country code. For Brazil, it's 55. Next, enter your city code. For Rio de Janeiro, it's 21. Now enter your number, your WhatsApp number, all together without dashes or spaces. Below you can add a title for this external link. Once done, click above to add this external link. It'll appear in your bio. If you have questions, comment below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.